Hello developers, welcome back. In my some previous videos, I have seen some comments that what are the difference between Laravel Sanctum and Passport package? Which one we should choose for the Laravel application? And similar kind of questions I have seen on different forum sites as well. So today in this video I will share my opinions on this Laravel Sanctum and Passport package and which one could fit to your needs. This is all my opinions. If you don't agree with me on something, please share your opinion in the comment section. I love to hear your thoughts as well. And if you are new to this channel, hit the red subscribe button and press bell icon so when I upload new videos you get notified. Now let's start with the Laravel Passport package. This package offers a great way to manage multiple API authentication methods within all-in-one package, from granting simple token for a user authentication to complete OAuth2 integration. This Passport package is mainly popular for full OAuth2 server implementation for Laravel app in matter of minutes. Therefore, it is necessary to have a brief knowledge of OAuth2. So what is OAuth2? OAuth is an open authorization and authorization standard that helps us to provide authorization into a third-party application without providing it your credentials. This method is most commonly used for third-party clients that need to access your API. A great example could be Google, Facebook, LinkedIn APIs, where you need to authenticate on these apps in order to gain a token that give you access to their API data. Let me show you an example how it works behind the scene. I will just explain a basic workflow. I will not dive deep into this. Let's say we have a resource server and a user has some data on this resource server, and next we have a client app, the third party app, and this user is using some services in this client app. And in this client application, for some services it requires data from the resource server. So now here what this client application will do, it will request the access in the resource server, and then this resource server will reach to the user, the resource owner, and ask for the authorization that the third party app is requesting for the access for your data. If user declines the request, then resource server will not allow the client app to access the data from the resource server. If resource owner grants the authorization, then the resource server will generate a access token and send it to the client app. Now the client application will use that access token to get the resource from the resource server. This is the basic OAuth2 workflow. And in the different OAuth servers, the implementation can be slightly different. In real life projects, you may have seen the login with Facebook in different websites. When you click on this button, it redirects to the Facebook page and it shows the model like this, where it asks for the authorization. When you grant the authorization, it sends the token to the website, and that website use that token to access your name, email address from the Facebook. OAuth method is not really meant to be in SPA application. If you want to make SPA application with Passport package, then it also provides personal access token feature. Using this, you can create a token for the user to authenticate. I have already created a video tutorial on this. In that tutorial, I have explained how you can use personal access token via Passport package for API authentication. You can find the link of it in the video description. Now let's talk about the Laravel Sanctum package. Laravel Sanctum provides a lightweight authentication system for single page application, mobile application, and simple token based API. It is very easy to set up and will get you going in almost no time. So rapid prototyping and development are really easy with this package. The best thing I like about this package is SPA authentication. If your SPA is located in the same domain as your API, all you need there is CSRF call to your API and it will handle the authentication for you. Laravel Session handles the authentication in the easiest way possible, and you don't have to manage your tokens on front end. This Sanctum package also provides the API token authentication feature. It is done using the simple web token and manage them on the API side. This means that its expiration, device and authorization are managed on the API itself. No hassle to manage them on the client side. This was inspired by the GitHub API, where they have tokens that are created on the GitHub application can be used by the token owner anywhere. If you will need to have not just a token but a user and password check, maybe for mobile authentication, user will send their username, password and device, and in the API you will check the username, password and then generate the token for the user. Mobile authentication doesn't add too much complexity at all and works like a charm without any big issue. I have also created a tutorial video on SPA authentication and token based authentication using this Sanctum package. I will also recommend you to watch that video also. Now here my final thoughts are that for the majority of the SPA projects, Sanctum will be the best choice. It gives you flexibility, easy start with its session support. In this way you won't spend a lot of time managing session, token or anything like that. Of course you may have different requirements or they could change over the time, but you quite easily change the authentication method. You will have to make minor modification to get things going. If your application requires the OAuth 2 implementation, then without a doubt the Passport package is the right choice. This is all my opinions. If you don't agree with me on something, please share your opinion in the comment section. I love to hear your thoughts as well. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next lesson.